Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to start a pay-per-call business, but people are asking how exactly to get started with it. This is a question I've received quite a lot. Look, if you are planning to work on the pay-per-call business, then you really need to focus on a few things. Do it. First of all, you'll have to do something very simple. You need to join a network where payouts are made on time and they are reliable and they provide you with good offers. We'll talk in detail at the end of the video about which offers are provided by which providers and which offers you should work on to get good results so that you can easily start earning at least $50 to $100 per day. All right. The next thing is that if you're getting into the pay-per-call business, having a YouTube channel is extremely important. Now, why is there a need for a YouTube channel here? Look, friend, SUV is very important. It is important to get some calls through it as well. You should create a YouTube channel on any one specific niche. You can make videos there. Suppose you are running offers related to pest control. Then you can make videos about pest control and upload those videos to YouTube. If your videos are in English, there are many different AI tools you can use to help with your work, such as Vision, which is known for its advanced video analysis features, or Enviro, for example, which offers a range of useful editing and enhancement options. You can use these, and by using these videos, you can simply make use of them. And you can also use Video Gen. By using all of these, you can create a proper video, do a bit of research related to pest control. Or else I will bring information about this in an upcoming video. Alright, so you can work on these and by properly forming a video, you can generate 5 to 10 calls daily from your YouTube channel. Even if you generate just 5 to 10 calls, then you can easily make $50 to $100 from here. Apart from this, in order look more, if there is no landing page on your website, you won't get offer approval. If you don't get offer approval, you won't be able to work. Here, Nabo, a lot of people will say to me, sir, what exactly is the problem? We don't have any money. Let us make it in the free one. No, brother, will you make it for free? It will never rank. And if you run Google ads or anything else on it, it will keep getting disapproved. Your ad will get suspended. That's why you should get a genuine domain and work on it, get hosting and work on that. You will have to make at least this much investment. All right, you will do this work. No doubt, with a guarantee, pay-per-call is such a niche where the competition is almost zero right now. If you work on this, you are guaranteed to get very good results. Now, the question here is, which offers should you start with? Look, the very first thing I want to tell you is that you are just starting out. You are completely new. If you're going to work on this, then focus on home services offers. What kinds of home services offers can there be? Offers like washing machine repair nearby, TV repair offers. There are a lot of such things. In home services, there are offers related to painting. There are offers related to plumbing as well. Apart from this, you can promote pest control offers. Pest control is one such offer that runs throughout the year and performs really well. Apart from that, look for seasonal offers. For example, when it's the peak of summer, because people do a lot of work related to solar energy, so you can promote those offers. You can promote offers related to air conditioners as well. Right now, these are performing the best. There are offers for both inbound and outbound AC services, so you can promote those too. If you promote such offers, you will get really good results. So focus on working on them. Now, one last thing here. If I am getting into pay-per-call, how much budget should I have? You should have a minimum budget of 20,000. If you don't have a budget of 20,000, then don't jump in at all. You'll only end up making losses in this market. Look, I say this in every single video, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, CPM marketing, pay-per-call, or anything else, you should have a budget so that you can run Google ads, run those ads and get some results from there. Apart from this, if you need any more information or if you have any other questions, if you want to ask me, you can contact me at the number given below. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me, and I'm going to help you. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.